cleaning the seagrass forest. Lobster swam through the seagrass forest. He saw plastic bags stuck in green leaves. Cans and bottles shone under the water. Small fish darted nervously around the trash. Lobster felt worried for his friends. He grabbed a bottle with his claws. The bottle was heavy, covered with sand. He dropped it into an empty shell. But more trash still filled the forest. Lobster sighed and looked for help. Seahorse drifted near with gentle eyes. He noticed the sad look on Lobster. "What happened here?" Seahorse asked softly. "The forest is full of garbage," said Lobster. "Let us clean together," Seahorse replied. Octopus appeared, waving 8 strong arms. He saw wrappers and broken cups floating. "I can gather many things at once." Octopus reached for a group of cans. "Let us clean this place together." Clownfish swam out from seagrass shadows. He saw friends picking up dirty things. "I will help too," said Clownfish. "My fins are small, but I am quick." All friends smiled and welcomed him. Lobster clipped cans and bottles together. Seahorse carried wrappers with his curved tail. Octopus held cups inside his arms. Clownfish pulled strings tangled in leaves. Together they worked with steady rhythm. The work was hard but fun together. They laughed while carrying heavy trash out. Small fish cheered from behind tall grass. The water slowly turned bright and clear. Green seagrass danced freely in the sea. Lobster found a large rusty can. It was stuck between thick seagrass roots. He tried to lift but could not. Seahorse wrapped his tail and pulled. Still, the can did not move. Octopus wrapped arms around the rusty can. Clownfish pushed from the other side. "Push together, friends," shouted Lobster loudly. 1, 2, 3, they pushed with strength. Finally, the can rolled free at last. The forest looked clean and beautiful again. Fish swam happily through shining clear water. Lobster, Seahorse, Octopus, and Clownfish smiled. They learned teamwork saves their shared home. Friendship kept the sea safe and bright.